Sedan Machinery Group, we're shaping tomorrow's world today as your one-stop partner for all your metal machinery and software needs. THALMANN Folders, known for their advanced capabilities, now brings automation to your shop. Our fully automated TD brings a safe and hands-free experience to your production floor. The multi-head side loader TD automates your material handling by loading up to 4 strips of sheet metal, accommodating a total width of 49 inches or 1.2 meters and lengths of up to 10 feet or 3 meters on a 21-foot or 6.4 meter TD and up to 19 feet or 5.7 meters on a 12-meter TD. The back gauge gripper ensures precise handling. The TD helps customers achieve high throughput, reduce manufacturing and labor costs, and precise, flexible folding. The TD double folder delivers automated, efficient, fast up and down folding, powered by advanced beam technology for consistent precision every time. The TD can automatically flip parts, enabling you to maximize productivity while ensuring your team remains safe and hands-free during demanding processes. All of this is made possible through THALMANN's innovative unique kinetic control shaft technology. The TD ensures a high level of performance and synchronous force distribution, faster and smoother folding processes, enabling you to have open hems the length of the machine. It's more than just faster bends. It's the perfect blend of speed and control. The TD double folder keeps your team safe with ergonomic design and advanced scanners. Floor scanners maintain a safe distance, while a top scanner stops the machine instantly if breached. The auto parts unloader moves vertically via a servo drive, allowing parts to be unloaded in 3 ways: extender to table, spring fingers, or conveyor lift. It's integrated with the side sheet loader for seamless operation. The TD double folder is the future of automated precision folding. Contact us to learn more.